Hi and welcome to the hamster trading robot experiment, where we are going to see if we can get 1000% return in 1 year. So the hamster is an aggressive trading robot for MetaTrader, which you can buy on the MQL marketplace. And the idea is that we invest $100 each month and trade high risk with a highly leveraged account to see if we can make 100% return before the account blows up. So it's either make $100 per month or we lose the account. To do this, I optimized the hamster trading robot with 2020 data and created an optimization or a set file. This is basically configuration to set the trading robot, and this is the result of the optimization I'm using. In back tests on Eurodollar on the 15-minute time frame between January 2020 and December 2020, we take a $100 account to just over 1,000, a tenfold increase. However, we're not going to be putting in the money from January and leaving it to run all the way until December, simply because this style of trading can result in the account blowing up. What we are going to do is to put $100 each month, and if it can double, take the profit and start again. I believe this is a better way to do this, but we'll see. However, in order to do this, we are going to be assuming that the settings will work as well as they have in 2020. These are optimizations which would have worked for 2020, but the way the market moves will be different in 2021, and it may not work at all for us. We'll just have to wait and see. The other thing is ensuring that we are using a low spread ECN type broker. As this is a trading robot that is taking a few pips profit each time, we need the smallest possible spreads to maximize profit. We also need a high quality VPS or virtual private server to ensure that the MetaTrader platform is connected to the broker at the fastest possible speeds. If at some point you plan to do this, I have a recommended broker and VPS provider which satisfies the criteria, and I put these details in the video description box below. So what I am showing here is what would happen if you had invested $100 each month into the hamster trading robot with our set file in 2020, with success meaning that you were able to take out your $100 profit and banking it. Failure means that the account crashed and you lost your $100. As you can see here, all but 1 month in September were a success. So in 2020 you would have won 11 months out of 12. This means that you would have made 11 times $100, which is $1,100, and then minus the month you lost, $100. Net result is $1,000, a tenfold increase on your investment. So we are going to test this for 2021 and see how we get on. This may completely fail, but worth a try. Now the caveats to doing this are, we are assuming that the backtests reflect real trading. Obviously with backtests there are limitations. In the past, I've been able to get live trading similar to backtests with this trading robot through use of the right broker and VPS provider. So I'm expecting the execution will be the same. However, as previously mentioned, optimization can only happen with past data, and therefore the market mechanics of Eurodollar may change too much for this to be successful in 2021. We'll just have to see with the live results. And you can track this with the below link on the screen. So I just want to tell you about my new subscription site on Patreon. This is for all those who are wanting a little bit more support with their trading. I provide additional set files for trading robots, including this one that I'm using for this experiment for hamster, and any profitable trading robots which I produce I make available to members. Check out the link to learn more. As always, thank you for watching. This is the first type of this category of video where we experiment with trading robots and see what results we get. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you at our next video. Bye.